Hello everyone. Now, this video will show you how to read the ROM without soldering by the HDD ROM chip pin reader. And in this video, we will use the WD2060810011 PCB as the sample to show how to read it. Okay. For this PCB number, and we can see there are 3 chips, and this one, the top one, is the ROM chip. So if we don't want to solder this ROM chip of the PCB, we need to use the HDD ROM chip pin reader. Okay, so this one is the HDD ROM chip pin reader, and this is the picture, and this is how we can connect the pin reader read pins. Okay, so one blue cable and one red cable. The blue one is for the wider ROM chip pin, and the red one is for the smaller sized ROM chip. Now this side, this is the USB cable, is used to connect to the computer, and this is to connect the pins, is used to connect the ROM chip pins. Now let's connect. Okay, let's connect the pin reader pins to the ROM chip pins, and then we go to the HDD ROM chip pin reader software, and this is software, and in the log window we can see it tells device connected with non-component. That means we haven't connected the pin reader pins to the ROM chip pins. Now let's do it. And I'm connecting the pin reader pins now to the ROM chip pins, and click F7 to read. And when we find out this 25 EEPROM, so this means there is something wrong. Now we need to connect again and click F7. Okay, now we connect correctly. When we find 25 and SPI flash, this means it's connected properly. And we can click F8 to verify. F8 to verify, to make sure there's no error. That means if no error within the verification process, that means the ROM is read successfully. If we want to write this ROM to the unlock PCB, or if we want to write this ROM to the original ROM, we can use F9, click F9, and then the program will start to write the ROM automatically to the ROM chip. Because right now I need to connect the ROM chip pins again and write again, because the ROM chip pins has the pin reader pins and the ROM chip pins has been shifted, so I need to connect the pins again and click F9. Now it's writing again. During the ROM writing, we need to make sure there is no error. Now we can see there's no error. Auto erasing program, that means write and verify, make sure no error. If no error, then it means the ROM write is successful. If there are errors within the writing, that means the ROM write is not successful, and we need to connect the pin reader pins to the ROM chip pins again. Now we can see it's written successfully. After this one, and we can install the new PCB with new ROM to the pension drive to unlock the hard drive firmware error. And this one is especially helpful to the Western Digital SMR hard drives to unlock the firmware error. And users can use the HDD ROM chip pin reader set to read the ROM from the original PCB and then use the special firmware repair tool to generate the unlock ROM, and then we can write the unlock ROM with the HDD ROM chip pin reader so that the original pension drive is unlocked without soldering, without using any special firmware unlock PCB. So this one is very helpful to use the ROM chip pin reader. Thank you for watching the video.